Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert pound weight into metric ton and carat in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Microsoft Excel and then you see pound 1. So first we are going to convert pound into metric ton in Microsoft Excel. Now select cell. On top you see formula bar, so click on it. Then write a equal and then select cell pound 1. Now you see D3. Now add multiply symbol and then add value. Now you see 0.000454. So 1 pound into metric ton and then press enter. So this is our value in Microsoft Excel. So if you want to change pound value, now make it 2 and then you see value change. Now make it 1 again. Now you see pound into metric ton in Microsoft Excel and then we are going to convert pound into carat in Microsoft Excel. Now select cell. On top you see formula bar, so click on it, then write a equal. Now select pound 1 cell. Now you see D3. Now add multiply. Now paste value. Now you see 2267.96185 and then press enter and then you see pound into carat in Microsoft Excel. If you want to change pound value, now make it 2 and then click on it. Now you see value change. Now make it 1 again. And you'll find all formula in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.